So, by the way, guys, that song is called "Put It On" by Craigie T, and that's my jam. So I love it.
I like that. That's cool.
I love it. And why he says I'm a bad dancer is because I was saying earlier that don't call me a dancer. That's not all I am. However, Craig said I'm a bad dancer. That I am. Yes. Recognize.
All right. I recognize. I recognize.
So guys, welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday. My name is Nisha Yen. Have you seen the COVID-19 numbers lately, Craig?
I have not, you know.
Whew, hot.
I don't like to scare myself, you know.
Really?
I think enough things happen to scare me.
That's true.
So, I care about a frighten
That's
myself.
true.
Yeah.
But I also want to say, rest assured that as bad as the COVID-19 numbers are, we have over 1,000 murders in Jamaica this year already.
Yeah. That's
So,
a problem.
I know the number for COVID between March and now has got to 100, but murders are happening. Over 1,000 persons have died this year.
Hey,
alone.
when COVID did just start, you know, them did better than the murder of them, you know. They did better than the murder of them, you know, but it's like them a mask up now and them have them sanitizers, so they are going with all kind of things.
I love it. So guys, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have any studio audience for a while, but you, our audience at home, guys, we would still love to have you participate with us. So what we want you to do is to send us a video or photo of you or a family member watching Daytime Live and post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live. That's right. And also tag us on your Instagram stories. So tag us on your Instagram stories and we will show it on the show. Don't DM us, guys. Don't send me pictures. Don't send Craig pictures. Just tag us and we'll show it on the show.
Yeah. First of all, Craig, now I see a picture of them until a good little while until I got you.
It's
got you. Anyway.
It's
all
true.
Right,
me tagging me the things that don't pay me no
first. But, so from FB today, we have these photos. The first one is Sharma Williams. The first one.
Sharma. Hey.
Yeah, good girl, Sharma.
Sharma.
Thank you very much.
Wait, we're not friends. We're not friends, Sharma, but that's okay. I love you still.
Big up.
We also have Demoya Miller. Let's take a look at Demoya.
Hey.
Oh, okay. All right, Demoya. So we have...
Cute as cheeks,
She's
man.
cute.
That
And her smile
nice,
too. Yes,
yeah.
girl, come through. So we have 1-1. So it's a tie between Craig and Dufton.
Oh, we're doing this?
I'm always doing it.
Oh, man.
Next, who we have next?
Next is Zisha Thomas. Hey!
I wasn't even here, but yes. Yes.
Well, hey, look.
Hi,
There's a baby.
Guys, I want you all to know that my poor ovaries, yes, I want a baby here. I do, they're so cute.
You don't say, I was on the other them pod, right?
That's a problem. Because if it was, you know, I'd be okay.
Anyway, so the next person we have, Chromatic Gal Fatty.
How you know is gal? Hey, yes. She said Duffy should bring in. It's 1-all.
Yes,
it's 2-1 to Dufton and 1 to me. I'm in the running. Now we have one of my favorite persons, Kemar Frasco Don Bent. Hey, Kemar, you good? He's masking up. I like it. Kemar, where you get the mask from? It's nice. Yes.
Bandana print style, you know?
I like it. I like them one day.
So
I want them in all colors.
Victoria Hope Campbell is next. Let's see what Victoria has to say. Yeah.
Okay, Victoria.
Victoria, thank you. I
Okay,
appreciate
hi,
it.
cutie pie. It's balanced up now. It's 2-all. 2-all.
It's actually 3-all. Because one of them did have both of us in there.
Okay, 3-all. I'll take that. And we have Teresha Miller. Teresha, I like you. You're my favorite. It's okay that I can't see. Teresha!
Yeah, man, you. We know say you.
Teresha! Yeah. Next.
We have Denise
we
Wright.
have Denise Wright.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that was the in memory of Toots day.
Right.
Although we're still in memory of Toots from
That's
now
right.
until the end of time, but you know that day was special.
That's right.
Next we have Andrea Thomas.
Okay. Oh, okay. Andrea, and on that note,
And the winner
is Craigie T.
Hey, the sweetest thing of a win when you never in a race.
We never race. That's how life should go, though. That's what I'm
That's
just
nice.
saying. So guys, just like how they did, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, Our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. But for Facebook, just like these guys did, our handle is at TVJ Daytime Live, no underscore.
And remember that you can catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com or on YouTube. Just search Daytime Live, TVJ, and you'll find us. All right, so let's get buzzing. All right, so the first thing is the New York Post is today reporting that dancehall artist Dexter Daps held a secret concert in Brooklyn last week, like secret if people didn't go, drawing a packed audience in contravention to New York's COVID-19 guidelines. Video clips of segments of the concert posted to Instagram were shared by the media host, showing the packed outdoor venue that it says was not disclosed in another clip shared by the Post. The dancehall artist is seen performing up close with fellow Jamaican artist Akea. In both clips, most of the persons seen in the audience are not wearing masks or any kind of face coverings.
So according to the paper, New York's COVID-19 guidelines have allowed outdoor entertainment-related activities to resume at only 33% capacity, and also with 6 feet of distance between people attending these events. Now, the report says the concert was advertised as a special exclusive day party at a secret location at $50 per ticket. It was also promoted by the artist Dexter Daps. So,
yeah. What?
Artist to artist.
Artist, what? Yeah, artist, you perform.
Hey.
And it done.
It done. You know
to
what?
me,
I feel
like if a promoter call me and say come perform, I go perform. And it done. And then me put on the show.
But just I say.
That's not my
I don't think this is one time, because you know I'm all about rules and protocols and everything, and I still am. But I feel like if I'm an artist, somebody asked me to come and host an event or something, it's not my job to make sure y'all stand 6 feet apart. That's not my job. It's not my responsibility. Nor is it my responsibility to ensure that whatever. That's the promoter and the club owners and those people. So I don't think that we should be blaming him for this or IKEA unless it's their event. So it's not their event. They're just, if somebody called me right now to come do something, I'm coming. Make sure it's COVID-19 safe, but it's not on me to ensure that that's happening.
Dexter,
you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, Dexter seasoned artist still now. I'm used to this thing. I mean, as an artist, you have to just understand that the blame, as you're saying recently about scapegoat, the blame will always fall on your shoulders.
Yeah.
It's like an artist, if a promoter book you to do a show and don't pay and you don't do the show, everybody are going to say, oh, the artists will do that.
Which I do it for free. Like the doctors operate for free
no,
all the time.
They're not even really concerned about the negotiations that happen on the back end. They're not really concerned. But it's a thing where you just have to say you have to show up.
Yeah.
I don't think he did anything wrong. I don't think Akea did anything wrong.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if you don't know. I mean, it's secret, so you know. Like you don't know if everybody was COVID tested before they came there.
That's a good point.
You don't know.
That's a good point.
You don't know.
I
So,
mean, it's doubtful.
It's doubtful,
$50.
but I mean, you can't just look on the thing and judge. One, and two, and two, well, Dexter Daps is a youth whom I always have a lot of respect for, and I like a lot of the things that he's doing in dancehall now and for the music, because in bringing back that performance thing, that's what he had. So like this is him only real way for.
You see the mosquito?
I did not see.
You never see the.
But this is his avenue. You understand? So he have to play to his strengths.
Yeah.
You understand? And it says a lot. It says a lot for him pulling power.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know.
People are come on regardless of COVID, so.
Yeah,
but I don't think it's on him.
I don't know.
Him, where the H went.
Hopefully, no outbreak now come as a result. I hope not.
What else is happening?
Okay, so after prayer and consultation with her constituency, Lisa Hanna today made her intention to contend for President of the People's National Party official. Yay. Her declaration was made after the National Executive Council announced the timeline for the elections on November 7th. She said she did not want to declare her intent to run before the NEC outlined its plans. Hannah, the Member of Parliament for South East St. Anne, where she's been MP since 2007, leads her closest contender, Mark Golding, MP for St. Andrews Southern, in both external and internal polls as the favorite to replace Dr. Peter Phillips as president.
So a leaked poll is leaked. A leaked poll conducted by pollster Don Anderson that was published in the Gleaner on Sunday shows that among the 14 PMP MPs, 34% of respondents believe Hannah Miss World 1993, which I think is irrelevant, is best suited to lead the PMNP. Now, Golding was 8 percentage points behind, followed by the outgoing General Secretary, Julian Robinson. He had 14%. Philip Paulwell, Vice President and MP for Kingston East, 5%, and Michael Phillips, MP for Manchester Northwestern and son of Dr. Phillips, 2%. 2%.
I think it would be cool to have Lisa Hanna as Prime Minister if it gets there.
I would love it.
I think it would be cool.
Love it.
I think it would be interesting to see what she has in store. I mean, I like Julian style too. So I don't know.
And you know what's really wonderful?
We'll
the fact that, guys, I came here and I'm learning all about politics, and I'm proud of myself for learning. But the fact that she was brought in by the previous female Prime Minister, she was brought in by the Honourable Portia Simpson, and mentored by her. So it would be really nice to show just the wisdom and just the leadership and how important mentorship is. And I think she could do it. I would really like us to stop calling her
definitely do
Miss World 1993 and just call her,
Listen.
I'm like, leave her be, man. Sure. But anywho.
But I'm not trouble her. It's not a bad thing to be Miss World.
I just feel like she's moved on from that title now.
Yeah,
but anyway, just me, my thoughts.
I fear her title still.
I fear her own.
She own it.
So from politics to politics, what else is going on?
All right, so moving over to U.S. politics. Trump and Biden meet tonight in Cleveland for their first of 3 debates, a socially distanced affair in which the candidates won't shake hands. Fox News host Chris Wallace is the moderator. The audience at about 70 will be limited compared with previous debates, and everyone attending the event at Case Western Reserve University will undergo COVID testing. And they should also follow safety protocols. Make us see if them do it. Like how them more string up Dexter Dabs. Make us see if Trump are going to follow it.
But it's also okay. So the debate is set for 9 p.m. Eastern time and will actually last for 90 minutes without any commercial breaks. Now the topic for the debate are the Trump and Biden records, the Supreme Court, obviously, COVID-19, the economy, race and violence in our cities where Donald Trump said, I don't care. I'm joking. And integrity of the election, according to the Commission on Presidential Debates. Will you be watching CT?
Me? No, sir.
Negative. Hashtag fail. I'm learning sign language, guys, and this is fail, 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 negative. So, on that note, Daytime Live. We'll be right back, and we're still buzzing. We're still talking. Join us after the break. We'll soon come. Stick and stay.